This is a quick video on how to replace images that have gone missing from files. Here we can see on my set of flashcards that my Dover Castle symbol is missing. So I'm going to click on that cell, press return on my keyboard to call up my symbol finder. Now there isn't a symbol for Dover Castle, so it may have been in the search box that I searched for something else originally. So here I can find another symbol, or it may have been that I did a web search. So I'm just going to press return in that window to activate a web search and then find the image of Dover Castle. It'll then place it in that cell. I'm also going to take a look at other pages to make sure there are no other symbols missing. Here on my symbol only page, I can see that I've got a missing image. Maybe I don't recall what that image was because there's no label under it. If I click in and then look at the label on the side, it will show me which symbol may have been there. So again, I'm just going to press return. I know it's my web search, so I'm going to activate that web search and then place that image in. I can then print and assign as I did before. I can also save this activity, and I may want to save it in a slightly different name so I remember that this is one I fixed. I hope that helps. Thanks.